Video, I will show you on how to search for YouTube video by date without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your YouTube app, then go ahead and click on search icon. Then you can simply search for any topic, let's say Facebook, and hit on search. And then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to refine and see how you can filter the results. So for that, what you want to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search filters. Just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on all right here. You can search for videos, shorts, channels, playlists, as the case may be, just like so. And at the same time, you can click on here to search by different duration, and you can also click on here to search anytime or this particular week or today. Let's say for instance this particular topic here, I'm going to check on this one that was uploaded for this week, and then click on prioritize it. Then I'm going to click on leave it in relevancy. Then you can as well check on the video quality options right here. I need the video to be HD video quality. I'm going to select on that. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and hit on apply, and in a few seconds you are getting the result based on the keyword, just like so. It's that simple. You can refine and check as much as possible. You can take a look at this. This was uploaded 2 days ago, and it has to do with about Facebook topic. And this one here also was uploaded about 1 day ago. You can refine and check as many as possible to see some of the best way to filter out content on YouTube. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use Facebook YouTube app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.